Hi. If you keep on getting this message, Facebook keeps stopping while trying to open or use your Facebook app, then in this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, the first thing you need to do, if you are facing this challenge, you need to go to your Facebook app info page, and you can do this by just going to your app and then long press on it, and you should see app info. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear or the name of the app. If you tap on this, you will be taken to this app info page. Most likely the reason why you are experiencing this is because Facebook has experienced a glitch, or there are some settings or permissions that you need to enable. This may also happen if your app contains bugs. Alternatively, if you can't access Facebook app info page from this, you can also go to settings, and from settings look for apps, and under apps go to manage apps or all apps, then search for Facebook, and you can see again we are on Facebook app info page. At this point, you need first to force stop this Facebook app, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache, like that. Restart your smartphone and everything should be okay. If nothing changes, then come again to app info page and go to app permissions, and here ensure you allow these options such as file and media share and these other options that you may want. If that does not fix the problem, then you need to check for or look for Facebook through Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm on Android smartphone. I'll go to Play Store, search for Facebook app and open it. Then confirm if you have an update, update your app to the latest version. But should this still happen, then you will need to uninstall the app and install it afresh. By doing so, this will clear any bug that might be associated with your Facebook app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.